When I saw the message, I smiled. Not because it didn't hurt, but because I finally understood. Kunle, breakfast is ready. You don't even hear me anymore. He came home late again.
Can we not do this today?
I only asked.
I missed last night. When are you leaving her?
So I'm the problem now. If I shout, will it change anything? If I forgive, will he stop? They say all men cheat, but does that mean all women must suffer? I won't beg, I won't fight. I'll prepare.
Why are you smiling?
I'm okay, but I had already left in my mind.